Okay, so my name is Andreas Boss. I'm the area sales manager for Turkey and also for Uzbekistan. What we are having new on this fair is our Experttex system, where you can prepare your recipes before entering to the machine. Before going down to the machine, you can check for the temperatures, for the temperature settings, and also for the ecological aspects, like if you're running the machine properly, or for example, if you're over drying the fabric, before you're going to the machine, you can already check it on your computer. And what else we are presenting is our eco technologies, our air-to-air heat recovery, our water-to-air heat recovery, and our air purification systems for the air purification of the exhaust air fumes which are coming out this time frame. The markets are a little bit slow at the moment because of the economic situation everywhere in the world. We all know the problems which we have in the world at the moment, but the Turkish market was always a big market for us and is still a big market for us, which means there is a lot of potential. And also, of course, in the future, there will be, again, much more potential in the Turkish market than at the moment when everything is getting settled again. I mean, I can speak a little bit for the northern market. The northern market is getting more bigger also, of course, because of the population which we are having in the northern part of Africa, also especially in Egypt. Yes, this means that the market is getting more and more important, I think, for all textile machinery producers, because there's big potential in these markets. It's the biggest textile machinery exhibition in Turkey. Of course, it is really important for us to show us here and our product, and it's also good to have some old customers or some old partners which we have a long relationship with, to meet them, to greet them, and also to find some new customers maybe. And this for the exhibition is really necessary for us. For the sustainability, as I mentioned in the beginning, for the sustainability, we have the heat recovery systems, which are for the sustainability. You can save a lot of energy, reduce the consumption of the stanter frame. And for the AI part, we are working with the Experttex system, which I already mentioned. And the next step for this system is to get it in a form of AI, which can adapt it directly on the processes which the customer is running. So I think you will always need people on the machinery, because if there is a malfunction, there is no robot or anything so far which can handle this problem. Also, in our case, especially, you need to feed in the fabric properly from the beginning to the entry of the stanter frame, which means a robot or anything in automation will never can handle this. Maybe the labor force will go down, but you will still always need the people on the machinery to work on, in my opinion.